Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are upgrading our toilet. You can see the link for the new toilet below. It's a TOTO Ultramax one-piece toilet. First thing, we're gonna unpack it. They are packing it pretty good, so it survived the delivery. This toilet doesn't come with a wax ring for some reason. That's why we purchased that Perfect Seal wax ring by Denko. Once you check the toilet you received in a good shape in one piece, we're gonna take out that old toilet. Shut off the water. Now we're going to disconnect supply line. And take out this fill valve. Once you take out that fill valve, remaining of the water will pour out from that hole. So get something to catch it. Next step, we're going to take out this caps and take out this nuts over here from that flange bolts. Do the same on the other side. Once it's unbolted and unhooked, we can take off the toilet and put it aside. You can see the flanges are in a good shape. To bolt the toilet down, we're going to use set fast self-adjusting no-cut toilet bolts. That's a new product. You can see it in the links below, and we like it so far, and that's what we're using. You insert them in the old flange, set it up horizontal, screw it in into this contraption here. Next thing would be to set the wax ring. It comes with a rubber blue adapter. This wax ring comes with the blue adapter. In our installation we don't need it because the flange is level with the floor. And just put it over the bolts, adjust it. While you have your toilet out, it's a good opportunity to check your shut-off valve and supply line. In our case, everything is okay, nothing leaking, supply line in good shape. If you need to replace it, check our video that pops up. Okay, now your opportunity to adjust the toilet without lifting it. Just move it where you want it, make sure it's straight. Now we're going to use the caps, washer, and tighten it down. Same thing, we're using the cap, washer, and the nut. Now we're using adjustable wrench to tighten it down. It doesn't have to be super tight so you don't break the flange, but it has to be tight so the toilet doesn't move. Now the toilet is not moving, sitting straight. Now we can connect the supply line and check for leaks. You can see the bottom of the fill valve over here, and we just connect our supply line to it. It doesn't have to be super tight, just do hand tight. It's a rubber gasket in there, it's going to prevent it from leaking. Once you connect the supply line, you can turn on the water. This toilet comes pre-adjusted, but you can adjust the water level just below this overflow tube using this flat screwdriver, turning it plus or minus more or less. You can place the edge of the paper towel around the base of the toilet, all around it, make sure it stays dry. Once we know it's not leaking, you should flush it 5 or 6 times, and you can put the caps to cover that bolts. Now only thing left to do is put that toilet seat. Comes with that silicone washers. Now these nuts are going on the back side of it. Do the same on the other side. Now we're gonna do the final adjustment. Do it up front here. Make sure it's nice and flush with it, and use a screwdriver to tighten it up. Doesn't have to be very tight. Okay, once this is done, close the steps. So this toilet seat comes with the slow motion thing, so when you let it go, it's not gonna slam on the toilet. And the final step, to put the cover on it. It's required to put the bit of caulk or silicone around the base of the toilet once you know it's not leaking, but I'd like to test it for a couple of days and do it then. This is Legacy Handyman, and that's how you install TOTO Ultramax II one-piece toilet. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.